Today, based on the theory that I have explained yesterday, one example on cantilever. Cantilever is one end fixed loading and other end is free. This is fixed support. This is free support. So the example, $60 Newton per meter, 3 meters. At 2 meter, inclined load at 30 degrees, 20 Newton. This angle is 30 degrees. Meter, 10 Newton per meter. Sigma V equal to 0. Now upwards is positive, so downwards is negative. All vertical forces to be 0. Therefore, A, B, C, D, E is the beam. At A, there is vertical reaction. Vertical reaction is Ranade. It is upwards. This load minus 1/2 into base into height. Again, this load, its component upwards, so plus 20 cos 30, 20 sin 30. Now this load is downwards, so again negative. Minus 10 into 4, 40 equal to 0. Therefore, RAV on this side, this becomes plus 40. Then 30 into 3, 30 into 3, 90. This will be again plus, because minus becomes plus 90. This becomes minus sin 30 is half, 20 to half, 10, so minus 10. So it is equal to 40 plus 90, 130 minus 10 equal 120 Newton. 120 Newton in upward direction. So this is RAV equal to 120 Newton. This was sigma V equal to 0. Now similarly there is RA horizontal. Now component of 20 into cos 30, sigma H equal to 0. So 20 cos 30, this is plus, minus RAH equal to 0. Therefore RAH equal to 20 cos 30 equal to 20 cos 30 is root 3 by 2 equal to 10 root 3 equal to, substituting and calculating, it comes 17.3 Newton, and this is in this direction. So RAH is 17.3 Newton. Now at fixed support we know there are three reactions, one vertical, one horizontal, and moment. So calculate moment at A. MA so sigma M about A equal to 0. Here it is about A. Taking moments of all forces about A. So moment of load for portion AB 1/2 into 3 into 60 into up to A. This is 3. From base it is 1, and from here 2 into. This is clockwise moment. Now moment of 20 Newton in vertical direction. Horizontal component will not have moment because it passes through it. 20 horizontal is 20 cos 30, vertical is 20 sin 30. So its moment will be negative. Minus 20 sin 30 multiplied by distance. What is the distance? 3 into 3 plus 5. Moment of this load. This load will cause moment about A in positive direction. This moment is anti-clockwise, and this moment is plus. It is 10 in bracket 10 into 4. Now this particular load will act at center of D, that is 2 meter from D. And what is distance up to that? 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9 into 9. Now this moment is again positive. Now we don't know what is the direction of movement at A, but we will come to know that this moment will be in anti-clockwise direction, because if we see this value, if we see this value, and if we see this value, or you can assume any direction of movement. If that direction is correct, its sign will come plus. If that direction assumed is wrong, then its sign will come negative. Let us assume any direction of movement. Let us say MA is like this. So plus MA equal to 0. See one second. Summation of moment about A equal to 0. 1/2 into 3 into 60 into 2 minus 20 into sin 30 into 5 plus 10 into 4 into 9 plus MA equal to 0. Solving. After solving, I have solved and it comes MA equal to 30 into 390 into 2 180 minus 50 and plus 40 4 9 36 and after calculating it comes 490. And what is 490? Unit of 490? It is Newton into meter because it is moment. And if we see the direction, that direction comes after calculating and after giving sign in this sense or anti-clockwise. So MA is like this, anti-clockwise, and its value is 490 Newton. This is the problem of cantilever. One more problem. Here UDL. Having value 10 Newton per meter. Uniformly distributed load. Of course, these problems are not from book, but I have constructed to give idea of problem in which support conditions are different, at the same time loading also is different. Now here I have taken inclined load and its value is 30 Newton and angle is 45 Newton, and at 2 meter 40 Newton. The beam is A, B, C. Here in this problem, little bit thing for explanation. One type of loading is uniformly distributed load, 10 Newton per meter or 2 meter. 30 Newton load, inclined load at 45 degrees at B. Point load or concentrated load 40 Newton at C, and CD portion is free. CD portion is free. So generally in these problems, Students are accustomed to solve the problem as simply supported beam, and they are confused. This part is free and there is no support here. So don't get confused. Stick to the principles, and if you stick to the principles, this problem also is simple. Now at A there is fixed support. At A there is fixed support. At fixed support, what are the reactions? One is vertical, which is called as RA, but in vertical direction. Another is horizontal, RA H, means component of RA in horizontal, vertical direction, horizontal direction. And what is third type of reaction? It is MA. Now, first, sigma V equal to 0. This is the type of or system of force which we have seen at very start, that it is in equilibrium condition. And once again to brush it, when system is in equilibrium, three conditions of equilibrium apply, which are sigma V equal to 0, sigma H equal to 0, and sigma M equal to 0. Out of that, sigma V equal to 0. If you apply sigma V equal to 0, out of three reactions you will find RA. How? Let us RA. Now normally we take upward positive, downward negative. So RAV has sign plus. If by chance it comes negative, we will change this direction. RAV. What is the load? 10 Newton per meter into 220, and where it acts at the center. And what is the direction? Negative. So minus 10 into 220, directly I will write. Now what are the components of 30? 30 cos 45 in this direction, 30 sin 45 in this direction. So this load also is downwards, and when it is downwards, it is negative. So minus 30 sin 45. Afterwards, we will simplify. And what is this load? 40 Newton in downward direction. So again it is negative, minus 40. And what is the condition? Equal to 0. I don't write all steps. Directly I will write the value. It comes after calculation RAV equal to, as you can see, all are negative, so this comes positive. It comes 81.22. Second, sigma H equal to 0. You can write here sigma H. Now before that, just see what is the direction of inclined load. Inclined load is in this direction, its component will be in this direction. So to balance, RAH should be like this. So RAH, which will be in this direction, minus component of 30 Newton. So minus 30 sin 45. Sin 45 or cos 45, it doesn't matter, because sin 45 equal to cos 45 equal to 1 upon 2. If you want to measure it, sin 45 equal to cos 45 equal to 1 upon 2. Only 45 degrees is the angle whose sin and cos components are same and which are equal to 1 upon 2. So after solving, RAH comes. Sin 45 is 1 upon root 2. So 30 upon root 2, which comes 21.20. I have solved this and I have made calculation, because yesterday I had not given figures So today I am giving figures with this was approach. This is like this. So RAH is found, RAH is found, RAB is found. Third is last. Just a minute. Sigma m equal to summation of moments about A equal to J. Now we don't know direction of MA. Let us write like this, MA. Now what is the direction of moment of load due to 10 Newton per meter? 10 into 2 into 1. That also will be plus. If you don't know sign, doesn't matter, assume some sign. If it comes plus, assume sign is correct. If it comes minus, assume sign is wrong. So plus 10 into 20, it acts as center into 1. Now what is the moment of 30 Newton? Its horizontal component is not having moment, vertical component, cos 45 or sin 45, and its moment is positive. So plus 30 cos 45 you can take, or cos 45 sin 45, or like 30 sin 45. Into what is the distance? 2. And what is its sign? This sign is positive. This sign is positive. This sign is positive. Now what is moment of 40? Again plus 40. Into what is the distance? 4. This moment also is positive. There is no load on this part CD, so no question of moment, equal to 0. Now we will come to know MA we have considered like this, and all these are like this. So naturally MA will be in negative sign of this, means like this. After calculating, MA comes 222.43. What is it? Newton into meter. And what is the sign? Like this. Because this is like this. So MA equal to 222.43. Newton meter, and sign is like this, not this. So RAH is found, RAB is found, and MA is found. This is for cantilever. This type of beam is called as cantilever.